Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back, it's your Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox and show you this cheapest Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, you heard me right, it's the cheapest one. This is also very tiny in size, you can see it. This is my Honor 9 Lite, the 5.56 inch screen. Yeah, like that. And this speaker cost only 200 rupees. That's the INR, and so I just bought it today. And on this side the box it says support phone, laptop, tablet, please PC, modular body jack design, expanded bus expansion system, blah blah blah, something. And here you can see the color, it's red. And on this side you can see the specs. It's version 2.1, working range up to 10 meter, working time 5 hours, dimension, weight, speaker, blah 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 blah. And loudspeaker output is 3 watt, frequency response, I can see that. And battery voltage capacity 520 mAh, charging voltage 5 volts, 500 milliampere, and battery charge time is 2 hours, made in China. So let's open this up. In the box you get this USB charger. It's not a mini USB, it's a, what is that, I don't know. Anyway, this is the speaker. Top side the grill is white color with a black ring around it, and rest of the body is red and white color. At the bottom you get this black soft pad, and here's some switch. This one is for to select the songs, next and previous. This is for TF card, and this is the on off switch, and the USB socket for connecting pen drive, I think. And this is the charging port, and that's it. Nothing more. Let's just turn it on. This is the switch. Wow, nice light.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, now let's pair this mobile, and let's check the sound. Okay, it's already paired up. Now I'm gonna play some NC songs. Alright, now let's talk about the sound. The sound is only you can hear the highs, so much high, and because of that I don't like the sound much. But you cannot expect more than this at 200 rupees. So if you don't have budget, and if you want to check Bluetooth device, then you can get this. And but I don't like the sound because of the only highs, that too much highs. And that's it. So this was unboxing and sound test video of this cheapest Bluetooth speaker, and hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.